Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by powering off the controller and removing the battery or rechargeable pack. This prevents shorts while you work. Next, use a T8 Torx to remove the 4 security screws and a small Phillips for any internal screws. Keep parts organized. Pry the shell gently with a plastic tool to avoid breaking clips. Once open, set aside the faceplate and note the left stick module orientation so you can access the stick mechanism directly for cleaning or replacement. You now inspect the left stick module to determine whether cleaning will suffice or if you need a replacement. For drift caused by debris, blow compressed air, then apply a small amount of 90% isopropyl to the potentiometer area and move the stick to work grime-free. If the boot is torn or the potentiometer is worn, remove the module by unscrewing or desoldering the connector, swap in a new module, and make sure the sensor is seated squarely before reattaching screws and ribbon cables. You finish by carefully reseating any ribbon cables and tightening internal screws to factory torque, then snap the shell closed and reinstall the battery. Power on and immediately calibrate the stick in your console settings, or use a controller test app to check dead zones and axis values. If you still see drift, make sure connectors are clean and fully engaged. If that fails, replace the entire thumbstick assembly. One troubleshooting tip: intermittent drift often means a loose connector or contaminated contact.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.